Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will pour over this canvas and I will use black satin enamel, and I will do kind of dirty pour. I will just whoops, I just didn't use my push pens. This time I just want to see how this will work, and I have just an old canvas and some reused jars from my yogurts to put my canvas on it, because I'm just experimenting with this black satin enamel to see if I can get maybe some interesting results. I don't know. So I just poured some black enamel paint, and I will do a dirty pour, and I will add a little bit of cerulean blue in it and a little bit of deep turquoise and some cardinal red. Just pour from up high, and maybe a little of the cadmium red, and I hope that I have some cadmium yellow left. Not much, but a little bit, and some magenta and some cadmium orange, and maybe I will add a little more of this turquoise and blue, and this is, and maybe a little white. And now I will just pour it on. And I see that my canvas is not leveled. And I don't like this center here, just too much black. And I don't know where I lose all my reds and oranges. Just have to grab a paper towel because my hands are messy. Where is my torch? Oops. And now I get some little tiny tiny cells of magenta, try to stretch this a little bit. Interesting. Very interesting. Just want to see if something more underneath, but I don't think so. And I think that I will just leave it like this because I kind of like it. It's like a space. I will take it for a close-up. I'll try to so beautiful details, and it's like a, I don't know, I kind of like it, but it has I like it this way the most, but it's just too much glare from the lights. What is it? Focus. I hope that you see it. This is my starry, starry night. I like it. Not a flower dip, but I like it. So this is it for today, and see you on my next experiment. I just want to show you these details, if I can, but just so much glare, you see. It's like a thunder somewhere in space, so I like it. So this is it. Oh, and this is, I don't know, something on tiles that I experiment with, but doesn't turn out as I want. So and I can show you this one too. This is on tiles too. This was a ring pour with black satin enamel too. So these are my experiments for today. I hope that you like this one too, because I like this one really. I hope that it will not change a lot. So this is it for today. Bye.